Movement changes everything. The moment something shifts smoothly, slides perfectly, rotates with balance, or aligns with absolute precision, our attention locks onto it instantly. There's a reason mechanical motion feels so satisfying to watch. Human eyes are naturally drawn toward order, rhythm, and controlled movement. We admire systems that operate with purpose. We appreciate mechanisms that solve problems elegantly. Now imagine taking those mechanical ideas and rebuilding them entirely from wood. Not cold steel, not factory components, but grain, texture, density, and handcrafted precision. That's where this world becomes truly fascinating. Because wood was never originally meant to behave like a machine. It expands. It contracts. It shifts with humidity and time. It carries imperfections, natural curves, unpredictable grain patterns, and organic movement. Yet skilled creators continue finding ways to transform this living material into structures that feel engineered with astonishing accuracy. And when they succeed, the result feels almost magical. There's something unforgettable about watching wooden craftsmanship imitate mechanical intelligence while still preserving the warmth of nature. The material remains organic, but the execution becomes incredibly disciplined. Every movement feels calculated. Every transition feels intentional. Every connection feels earned. That combination creates a completely different emotional experience from ordinary woodworking. This is not simply about building objects. It's about creating systems. Systems of motion. Systems of alignment. Systems of balance and controlled interaction. And the beauty often hides inside the smallest details. A surface gliding effortlessly into place. A rotating section stopping with perfect symmetry. A hidden connection locking together so seamlessly it almost disappears. These moments create curiosity immediately. People start leaning closer. How does that work? How was that measured? How can wood move with such precision? And suddenly the craftsmanship becomes more than visual. It becomes psychological. One of the most interesting things about mechanical-inspired woodworking is that it changes the way we look at timber entirely. Instead of viewing wood as soft, rustic, or traditional, we begin seeing it as intelligent material capable of incredible discipline. The grain becomes part of the engineering language. Lines flow through surfaces like directional energy. Repeating patterns create rhythm. Sharp geometry contrasts against natural texture, creating a visual tension that feels both technical and artistic at the same time. That tension is powerful, because the structure feels alive. Not alive through decoration, but alive through interaction. Motion gives wooden craftsmanship a sense of purpose beyond appearance. Every moving element suggests thoughtfulness. Every precise adjustment suggests planning. The entire structure begins communicating through behavior rather than words. And that's where handcrafted motion becomes truly mesmerizing. It reveals patience. Mechanical precision cannot be rushed. The smoother the movement looks, the more invisible work likely exists behind it. Measurements must be exact. Angles must cooperate. Pressure points must balance correctly. A single miscalculation can interrupt the entire experience. That's why these creations often feel so rewarding to observe. Viewers instinctively understand that precision requires effort, even if they don't fully understand the engineering behind it. They recognize the discipline. And discipline leaves an impression. Another reason these concepts feel so captivating is because they combine two worlds that rarely coexist naturally. Machines are usually associated with efficiency, repetition, and industrial control. Wood represents warmth, imperfection, and natural unpredictability. Bringing those two identities together creates something uniquely compelling. The structure feels engineered, but never lifeless. The motion feels controlled, but never cold. And that balance is incredibly difficult to achieve. Too much mechanical influence can remove the soul from craftsmanship. Too much organic looseness can weaken the precision. But when both elements are balanced carefully, the result becomes unforgettable. A structure that feels both human and engineered at the same time. This style of woodworking also changes the creative process itself. The maker begins thinking differently. Instead of focusing only on shape, attention shifts toward interaction and functionality. Questions become more technical. How will this move? Where does force transfer? How much tension can the material handle? How can motion remain smooth over time? Suddenly woodworking becomes much closer to problem solving and system design. The workshop transforms into a space where creativity and mechanics work side by side. And that mindset often produces some of the most visually striking results imaginable. Because movement creates emotion. Static structures can impress people. But movement creates fascination. When wood responds with fluid precision, the structure feels intelligent. It feels intentional. It feels almost alive. Even small motions become satisfying when executed beautifully. A controlled pivot. A seamless alignment. A hidden transformation. These details create moments people remember long after watching. And perhaps that's why mechanical-inspired craftsmanship continues attracting so much attention in modern design culture. People are exhausted by disposable products and empty visual trends. They crave evidence of thoughtfulness again. They want to see effort, skill, refinement, and originality. Precision woodworking answers that desire perfectly. It proves that craftsmanship still matters. Not because it's flashy, but because it's meaningful. Every carefully aligned component represents time invested into doing something correctly. Every smooth movement represents repeated refinement. Every finished detail represents someone refusing to settle for good enough, and viewers can feel that dedication immediately. Even silence becomes part of the experience. Notice how satisfying true precision looks without explanation. Clean geometry speaks for itself. Balanced motion communicates confidence automatically. Nothing needs exaggeration. The craftsmanship carries its own authority. That quiet confidence is one of the strongest characteristics of machine-inspired woodworking. The structures don't beg for attention. They earn it. One detail at a time. And perhaps the most fascinating part is that these creations often reveal beauty through restraint rather than complexity. Instead of excessive ornament, the focus shifts toward proportion, movement, and execution. Precision becomes decoration. Alignment becomes artistry. Motion becomes storytelling. The eye starts appreciating tiny details most people normally overlook. The spacing between surfaces. The consistency of movement. The exact relationship between geometry and grain. These details create harmony subconsciously. The structure feels balanced before the viewer even understands why. That's the power of intentional design. And because wood remains a natural material, no two results ever feel completely identical. Every grain pattern introduces slight variation. Every board carries unique texture and density. So even when the engineering feels machine-like, the final result still carries individuality. Still carries warmth. Still carries life. That combination may be what makes this style so emotionally powerful. It reminds us that precision and humanity do not need to compete with each other. They can cooperate. The machine provides discipline. The wood provides soul. Together, they create something extraordinary. Over time, these ideas continue influencing modern craftsmanship in surprising ways. Creators are experimenting more with movement, hidden mechanics, modular thinking, and structural interaction. The boundaries between engineering and artistry keep dissolving, and audiences are responding strongly to it. Because people love watching intelligence expressed physically. Especially when that intelligence transforms something ancient and natural into something futuristic and precise. A simple piece of timber becomes a study in motion. A structure becomes an experience. A crafted object becomes a conversation between nature and engineering. And perhaps that's the real magic behind mechanical concepts reimagined in wood. Not just the precision. Not just the movement. But the imagination required to see those possibilities inside raw material before anything even exists. To look at wood, and envision motion. To look at grain, and imagine systems. To look at natural texture, and design mechanical harmony around it. That level of creative thinking changes woodworking into something much deeper than construction. It becomes innovation shaped by hand. And the results speak with incredible clarity. Every seamless motion says patience mattered. Every balanced mechanism says discipline mattered. Every precise connection says craftsmanship still matters. And in a world filled with shortcuts, that message feels more valuable than ever. If this exploration of motion, precision, and mechanical woodworking inspired you, support Crafted Wood Studio by liking this video, sharing it with others who appreciate thoughtful craftsmanship, and subscribing for more original wood design inspiration and machine-inspired creativity. Because sometimes, the most unforgettable creations are not the loudest ones. They're the ones where movement feels effortless. Even though every detail was carefully crafted by hand.